You scratched my car!
Where?
Right there!
Oh, there. That's already there.
You liar! You know what I'm gonna do about this?
What?
Nothing! Because if I take you to small claims court, it'll just drain 8 hours out of my life, and you probably won't show up. And if I finally got the judgment, you'd just stiff me anyway. So what I'm gonna do is piss and moan like an impotent jerk, and then